You are searching something, and then if you received a message like this, your connection is not private, error, date invalid. So if you appear like this, then you can change your date and time. So you type a date and times, and you can simply take this date and time settings from here, and after that you can open. And suppose the time is not set automatically, then you can simply turn this on. So now we can change the date and time. Or suppose if you want to change it manually, then you can simply turn this off, and after that you can change the date from here. Simply click the change, and from there you can choose the date. For example, you can choose August 5. You can change the month to September, or you can even change the year also. Similarly, you can adjust the time also, and after that you can press the change button. For more videos, subscribe.